examination also. So today we will discuss this. My mother at 66. Okay. Kamla Das. Bit of the question can be given from here also. So that is why we will discuss about Kamla Das first of all. Kamla Das, birth 1934 and death 2009. Was born in Malabar. She has taken birth at Malabar, Kerala. Okay. She is recognized as one of the India's foremost poets, and her works are known for their originality. What are the qualities of his poetry? Originality, versatility, and the indigenous flower of the soil. And originality, you know, reality. In the same manner, versatility क्या मतलब होता है? Different type. Okay. Next. उसके बाद indigenous flower का meaning होता है locality, related with the local area. So these words are explained here. Vivid, you may write. Different also, vivid. Vividness. In the place of this, you may write what is the meaning of it. That here is the meaning of it. Versatility. It means vividness. Clear? So locality. It means indigenous flower. यानी कि indigenous flower का मतलब उसकी soil जो है वहां की, जहाँ का उसका नेटिव लैंड है, उसकी लोकेलिटी का इफेक्ट दिखाई देता है पोइट्री में. सो दीज आर द क्वालिटी, ओरिजिनलिटी, वर्सेटिलिटी एंड इन द सेम मैनर इंडिजिनस फ्लावर. ओके, दीज आर द थिंग्स विच आर रिलेटेड विद हर पोइट्री. क्लियर? Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That is why these things should be learned by you also. They can ask. So you will write in same manner. Meaning I have explained here only for your convenient. But whenever you will write in examination, then originality, versatility and indigenous flavor of the soil, you will write in as it is manner in the answer. Okay. Kamla Das has published many novels and short stories in English and Malayalam. Malayalam plus English. Both are language of her. Novels she has written also and short stories she has written also. Kamla Das has written also. So both, it means novels and short stories and poems in English. She has written in English and Malayalam. Second language is Malayalam. Okay? Clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, under the name of Madhavi Kotte. What is the nickname of her? Madhavi Kotte. Okay? They can ask this question also. What is the nickname of Kamla Das? Or writer under writer name Kamla Das, Madhavi Kotte. Some of her works in English include the novel Alphabet of Lust. Novel name Alphabet of Lust, 1977. Okay. A collection of short stories, Padmavati. Name Padmavati. And the Harlot and other stories, 1992. Other stories are not necessary to write here. Harlot and Padmavati, 1992. इतना तो खैर नहीं पूछा जाएगा, but they can ask this question. This is important. In the same manner, which language, second language can be asked, and quality can be asked, and birthplace name, and this one. Only these things can be asked. Okay? Next.
Yes, ma'am.
In addition to the books of poetry, she is a sensitive writer. This one is the quality of her, as she is sensitive writer who captures the complex subtleties of human relationship. It means she accept and she कहते हैं ना कि टॉलरेट किया, मतलब टॉलरेंस पावर थी उसमें कॉम्प्लेक्स कंडीशंस को सॉल्व करने की, जो कि उसके साथ थी ऑफ ह्यूमन रिलेशनशिप के अंदर। इन लिरिकल इडियम्स माय मदर एट 66 इज एन एग्जाम्पल। एंड नाउ लिरिकल भी है उनका, लिरिकल इडियम्स भी उन्होंने यूज किए हैं, और उसी में से उनका एक पोयम है जो कि है माय मदर एट 66। वी विल रीड दिस पोयम। ओके, इज इट क्लियर ऑल ऑफ यू?
Yes, ma'am.
तो आप क्या क्या लर्न करेंगे? फर्स्ट यू विल लर्न हियर दिस वन, सेकंड यू विल लर्न हियर मालाबार केरला। So first of all you will write question about Kamla Das birthplace. Kamla Das birthplace. Which is the birthplace of Kamla Das? Tell me.
Malabar, Kerala.
Yes. You will write she, अगर वो पूछते हैं then she has taken birth at Malabar in Kerala. Okay. शॉर्ट वाले क्वेश्चंस के अंदर। देन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कैन बी आस्क्ड, व्हाट आर द क्वालिटीज ऑफ हर पोएट्री? व्हाट आर द क्वालिटीज ऑफ हर पोएट्री?
Originality, versatility, and indigenous flavor.
Yes. Of the soil, you will write the indigenous flavor of the soil. Now, what is the nickname of her? Kamla Das?
Madhvi Kutti.
Yes. And these cannot be asked, I think. मेरे को नहीं लगता कि ये क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाएंगे उनकी कौन कौन सी नॉवेल्स हैं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं पूछेंगे इतना हार्ड। नेक्स्ट कैन बी आस्क्ड हियर, नथिंग, बस इतना ही बहुत है। नेक्स्ट, driving from my parents' home to Cochin. Last Friday morning, I saw my mother beside me. Now, what is the situation here? Where is he going?
Cochin.
Yes. It means Kamla Das. Question तो रहने दीजिए. You should learn it. Driving from my parents' home. It means they were living in a village. We are not confirmed. What is the name of her village? Birthplace, native name क्या है village का?
Malabar, Kerala.
Malabar, Kerala. At Malabar. So I think she was living there in Malabar, but she is driving towards Cochin. Then वो कोचिन की तरफ जा रही है, and it is the day Friday morning, and time period is morning. I saw my mother beside me, and her mother is sitting nearby her. Beside it means, beside me it means nearby her. Okay, she was driving the car and her mother was sitting beside her. Okay, and it what which day was it? It was Friday, and she is driving the car because of she wants to catch a flight in Cochin, because of in Cochin there is aerodrome, so that is why airport, so that is why she want to go to airport, and that is why she is going to Cochin. समझ आ गया? Can we ask?
Yes, ma'am.
Can we ask here? These questions can be asked. I am writing here. Where does the poet Going. Yes. What will be the answer of it? Speedily. Give me answer.
Coaching.
Coaching. Up next question. Why was, yeah, why is he going there? Is maybe right here. Why is she going there? What will be the answer of it? Why is he going there? Can you not give answer? Give me answer immediately. Pinky. Why is he going there? Yes, Gitesh?
For further study.
What? क्या कह रहे हो? क्या कह रहे हो?
आगे की पढ़ाई के लिए.
We can't say anything about study. Only you will write. इतना सारा नहीं लिखना होता है. जो exactly चल रहा है वही लिखना होता है. Yes, Pinky, what will be the answer of it? Tell me. Where are you?
Yes, ma'am.
Where are you? Give me answer. Why is she going there? It means coaching. बताओ. क्यों जा रही है वो कोचिंग? I have already told you. दिव्या.
ठीक. मैम उसे फ्लाइट पकड़नी है.
तो फिर इसको she is going to coaching because she wants to catch a flight. अगर one word answer है तो क्या होगा? To catch a flight. ठीक है? ये आएगा आंसर. अब can be asked which morning is described? Which morning is described?
Friday morning. Friday morning.
Yes. Next question. आप क्वेश्चन के अंदर आंसर भी लिखते चलिए. फ्राइडे मॉर्निंग. आई विल सी. ध्यान रखना. नेक्स्ट. Who was sitting या who is sitting beside her?
Her mother.
Her old mother. Okay. Now, this one is the specialty of the poem that the poetess wants to express here about the age of the mother. So we should write here her old mother. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of beside? What is the meaning of beside? Tell me immediately. क्या? Nearby. बीच में क्या? Doors open, mouth her face, ashen like that. Okay. So, what is described about her face here? Those, first of all, the poet tells us about her mouth. It means the mouth of her mother. It was open. Okay. And doze. Doze, it means, what is the meaning of doze?
मैम नींद की झपकी.
Nap. हल्की सी झपकी लेना. Okay. And what is the meaning of doze? Here, homophones. Homophones dose, and second homophone dose. What is the meaning of dose? DOSE?
medicine,
Medicine. Are part of medicine. It means एक डोज केवल. And here is the word beside and besides. What is the meaning of beside? Nearby. And yeah, along with may write here. And besides, second meaning, if you will write here besides, BESIDES. So what is the meaning of besides? Tell me. क्या पता है आपको? beside का मीनिंग, besides अगर s लगा दो इसमें तो क्या हो जाएगा इसका मीनिंग? नहीं पता. EXCEPT, accepted. इसको छोड़कर अगर इसमें s लग जाएगा then accept is the meaning of it. Okay?
yes ma'am,
EXCEPT. Is it clear to you? Dose you have written here? Dose and dose. Both are homophones here. Now, next, and she is taking nap. She is taking dose. Her mouth is open, and her face ashen-like. What is the meaning of ashen? I have already told you. Ashen-like. Tell me. What is the meaning of ashen? ASHS. What is the meaning of S? S का मीनिंग क्या होता है गीतेश?
ma'am राख,
Yes. तो her face is in black color. Okay. It means she is not in young age. That is why her face is looking just like ashen. Okay. So which figure of speech is used here?
simile,
Simile. SIMILE. Can be asked. बहुत से बच्चों ने smile भी लिख दिया था. So that is why it can be asked in examination. Last जो पहले ये बुक चलती थी, on that time this question has been given. पैसेज के क्वेश्चंस लिखने के लिए आए थे जिसमें ये क्वेश्चन दिया गया था. Which figure of speech is used here? Simile. Okay. Next, open mouth, her face ashen like that. So the poetess compare here the face of her mother with ash. Okay. Then of a corpse. Corpse means, what is the meaning of corpse? Tell me immediately. 10 बार बताया होगा. हाँ?
लाश,
What?
लाश, डेड बॉडी.
Yes, dead body. Okay. So, of course, she is realizing here that she is looking just like a dead body. Which figure of speech is used here? Can you tell, Pinky, which figure of speech, Divya, which figure of speech is used here? You don't know anything? Directly आपको कॉफ्स लिख दिया यहाँ पर. Like ashen like that, her face ashen like that of a corpse. यहाँ पर तो like लगा दिया तो simile हो गया. And यहाँ direct उसको compare कर दिया. तो which figure of speech is used here? Divya, what are you doing? Hello, Divya, you should tell which figure of speech is used here.
Ma'am,
How can you say personification? Metaphor is used here. बेटा पढ़ नहीं रहे हो? Okay, and realized with pain, and now she is full of pain, and she is very sorry because of her mother is looking just like the dead body, and that is why figure of speech metaphor is used. Clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That she was as old as she looked, but soon put that thought away. Now she was as old as she looked. It means she is very old, and but soon put that thought away. Now what is the poetess want? बताइए, poetess क्या चाह रही है?
Ma'am, tragic relief.
रिलीफ तो चाह रही है बेटा, बट शी वॉन्ट्स टू पुट अवे दैट थॉट, यानी इस थॉट को वो अपने पास से दूर ले जाना चाहती है. अंडरस्टैंड?
Yes, ma'am.
देन व्हाट शी डज देयर फॉर ट्रेजिक रिलीफ, and looked out at young trees sprinting. What was it doing there? To keep away her thoughts that she becomes old and she can be died. Okay, so which idea she has taken here? She wants to put away that thought and looked out at young trees sprinting. Where is she looking? She looking out of the window of car. Then there can be question asked, why does she looking out of window? बताइए, वो आउट ऑफ विंडो देखना क्यों चाहती है?
She looking out of the window because she put the thoughts away.
Yes.
Some
She
cases of
wants
demand.
to, yes, put away. She wants to put away. ये question can be asked. Put away her thoughts about her old mother. She wants to put away her thoughts about her old mother that she can be died. Yeah, she can be died. लिख दो, she can be died. She can be died. She can be died. She wants to move away. She wants to move away. Okay? वो क्या करना चाहती है? वो इस थॉट्स को दूर ले जाना चाहती है, क्योंकि उसको मालूम है कि उसकी मदर बहुत ओल्ड एज में है और ये थॉट्स जो है वो दूर भगा देना चाहती है. क्लियर टू यू?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
it may be written, can be given in the examination also.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी.
मैम टाइम ज़्यादा हो गया क्लास का.
Just a minute, wait. Okay? Don't tell me anything.
Yes, ma'am.
Whose turn is now? Whose class is now?
12, 11. अभी मैम कंप्यूटर का है.
You are not in computer, na? If you are in computer, Pinky, I'm asking.
No, ma'am.
Then
No, ma'am.
Keep silent. Okay? Just a minute. And looked out at young trees sprinting. The merry children is playing out of their homes. But after the airport security check, standing a few yards. Okay, so much is remaining here. Then we will stop here, and tomorrow we will discuss next. Okay. So from where we will start here. That put away thoughts and looked out at the young sprinting trees. And she was looking towards young sprinting trees. Where is she looking? She is looking towards the young sprinting trees. Okay, students? Then from here we will start tomorrow. Thank you. Have a nice day, all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
You want to go, na?